In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile in Zoho Books. Reconciling your bank accounts is a vital task that ensures your financial records are accurate and up to date. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned accountant, understanding this process within Zoho Books will prove incredibly useful. Let's dive right into it. The first step is navigating to the banking module. You'll want to head over to the left sidebar where you'll see the option for banking. Click on that and then choose the specific bank account you wish to reconcile. This is where you'll keep track of all your transactions. Next up, we're going to start the reconciliation process. Look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a gear icon. Give that a click. This will open up a menu. From there, select Reconcile Account. This action is your gateway to aligning your bank statement with your account in Zoho. Now that you've got your reconciliation window open, it's time to initiate the process. You'll see an option to click Initiate Reconciliation. From here, you'll need to enter a few specifics from your bank statement: the start date, end date, and the closing balance. Input these details carefully, and once you're ready, click on Start Reconciliation. As Zoho Books begins to work its magic, it will present you with transactions that are either auto-matched, categorized, or manually added. Your task here is to go through and cross-check these transactions against those listed on your bank statement. If everything lines up perfectly, great! But if you notice any missing entries, don't worry. You have the option to add those directly by selecting plus Add Transaction. This feature helps you record these transactions on the spot during the reconciliation. Once you've matched all your transactions, the goal is to balance the reconciliation. To achieve this, ensure that the cleared amount exactly matches your closing balance, effectively making the difference 0. If you need to make any adjustments, you can simply click the small edit icon next to the closing balance and modify the figure accordingly. Finally, the last step is to either finalize or save your progress for later. If all transactions are correctly matched and you're ready to wrap it up, click on Reconcile. This will complete the reconciliation process. However, if you find you're running short on time, there's an option to save and reconcile later, allowing you to revisit and complete the process when you're ready. Once the reconciliation is finished, you'll see the status change to reconciled, indicating a job well done. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your financial records in Zoho Books are as precise as they can be. This clarity not only helps in everyday financial management, but also provides peace of mind come audit season. Keep practicing, and soon enough you'll become a reconciliation pro.